Samsung has set the stage for yet another revolution in the smartphone world with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that's pushing the boundaries of innovation and elegance. Leaks suggest that this flagship will not just redefine smartphones, but potentially reshape the expectations of what a premium device should deliver. From its exquisite titanium white-silver color to its industry-first technologies, the S25 Ultra is here to steal the spotlight. Let's start with design, a realm where Samsung has never shied away from bold moves. The titanium white-silver finish isn't just another color, it's a statement. The crisp white back paired with a shimmering metallic silver frame exudes luxury. For those seeking variety, Samsung is offering a wide palette, including titanium black, blue, and gray. Want something that truly stands out? Exclusive online shades like titanium pink and gold could be available, giving you the option to reflect your unique personality. And it's not just about aesthetics. The titanium frame ensures unmatched durability, making this phone as tough as it is beautiful. Coupled with Corning Gorilla Armor Glass and an IP60 water and dust resistance rating, the S25 Ultra is built to withstand the rigors of daily life while maintaining its elegance. The display is another game changer, with a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screen offering Quad HD Plus resolution. The visuals are simply stunning. The adaptive refresh rate ranges from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring a buttery smooth experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling through apps. With Samsung's track record for creating some of the best displays in the industry, this screen sets a new benchmark for immersive visuals. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is nothing short of a technological marvel. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a groundbreaking 3-in process. This cutting-edge processor includes a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, an Adreno GPU, and a Hexagon NPU specifically designed for advanced AI tasks. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or handling heavy-duty applications, the performance is expected to be flawless. With up to 16 GB of RAM and an impressive 1 TB of storage, this device is a powerhouse capable of handling anything you throw at it. Benchmarks suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Elite outperforms its predecessor by 30% in efficiency and 20% in raw power, making it one of the fastest chipsets in the world. The camera system is another area where the S25 Ultra truly shines. At the center of this advanced setup is a 200MP main sensor with adaptive pixel technology. This sensor doesn't just capture photos, it captures moments with unprecedented detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Accompanying it are a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens offering an incredible 5x optical zoom. From sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups, the S25 Ultra is ready for every scenario. Video recording capabilities are equally impressive, with support for 8K video at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps, ensuring professional-grade footage right from your pocket. Battery life and charging are often pain points for flagship devices, but Samsung seems to have addressed these concerns head-on. The S25 Ultra packs a robust 5,000 mAh battery that not only lasts all day, but also supports 45 kW wired charging and wireless options. In just 30 minutes, you can charge up to 60%, making low battery anxiety a thing of the past. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the device promises a seamless and intuitive user experience. Samsung is also committed to long-term support, offering up to 5 years of software and security updates, ensuring your phone stays relevant for years. Connectivity features are top-notch as well, with support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-fast 5G connectivity. These enhancements make the S25 Ultra not only a high-performance device, but also one of the most future-ready smartphones on the market. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch on January 22, 2025, with a starting price of $1,299. While this premium price reflects the cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship packed into the device, it also raises the question, is it worth upgrading? When compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra offers significant improvements in design, performance, and camera capabilities. For those seeking the best of the best, it's hard to argue against this upgrade. As we approach the release date, excitement is reaching a fever pitch. Will the Galaxy S25 Ultra live up to the hype? Will its revolutionary features and design redefine the smartphone landscape? And most importantly, which color are you most excited to see in your hands? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive updates. The 2025 flagship battle is heating up, and Samsung just might have the winning hand.